Welcome to Center Computer and Application Settings. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export your bookmarks, the bookmarks you have saved within your browser, Chrome browser, Edge browser, Firefox, Opera, or whatever, or Safari. I will show you how to export the bookmarks that you have saved and use them later when you need them. You come at the upper right of any browser. I'm using Chrome, Google Chrome. In Microsoft Edge, it can be somewhere else, but it's of the same means of exporting them. So I'm going to show you through Microsoft Chrome now, Google Chrome right now. So you click on three dots, you click on Bookmark List, come up here, Bookmark Manager. This is Bookmark Manager. So you click on three dots above right, Export Bookmarks. And when it's going to open, asking to where to save the bookmarks. You can create a folder. For this case, I've created a folder, Bookmarks Chrome. You click on it, upon it. I want to override this one particular file here. Yes. Okay. It's been saved. Look at it here. It's been saved. Yes. So anytime you reinstall your system or you reinstall your system or the browser, you come here to import it and replace it. So it's going to be, if nothing is done and your browser is going to remain intact as it have not been restored. So this is how you export the bookmarks you have saved in your system. So next video, I will show you how to import the bookmarks that you saved within your system or anywhere to the new browser, installed browser. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for this channel, so I'll be bringing you more tutorial regarding systems and softwares. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.